Ever see a rundown house and imagine what it could become? Maybe you've driven by a place with peeling paint and overgrown weeds, and pictured it as the prettiest home on the block. That spark of imagination is where house flipping begins. That's the magic of house flipping, and it's sweeping the nation. More and more people are catching the bug, inspired by the idea of turning something old and forgotten into something fresh and valuable. TV shows make it look like a thrilling adventure, turning forgotten homes into showstoppers. There's drama, there's suspense, and there's always that big reveal at the end, when a once neglected house becomes the envy of the neighborhood. People love the challenge and the transformation, and yes, the chance to make some money. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing your hard work pay off, both emotionally and financially. It's not just for pros. Regular folks are getting in on the action too. Teachers, nurses, and even young couples are rolling up their sleeves, learning new skills, and making their mark in the world of real estate. Flipping is about more than profit. It's about creating a place for new memories. Every wall painted and every floor replaced is a step toward building a home where laughter and life can flourish. Imagine taking a house nobody wanted, making it beautiful, and handing the keys to a happy family. That moment, when dreams come true for someone else, is truly priceless. That's why everyone's talking. Because it's hard work, creativity, and a real sense of accomplishment all rolled into one. It's about vision, teamwork, and the joy of seeing a project through from start to finish. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in and discover the world of house flipping together. So what is house flipping? It's simple. Buy a fixer-upper, fix it up, and sell it for more than you spent. Think of it like baking a cake from scratch. Ordinary ingredients become something special. You look for houses that need work, buy them at a low price, and invest time and effort to make them shine. After repairs and updates, you sell the house for a profit. The difference between your total costs and the selling price is your reward. Flipping is part business, part personal passion. Some do it for money, others for the joy of transformation. Either way, you're making a difference, one house at a time. That's the heart of house flipping. The adventure starts with finding the right house to flip. Look for homes with cosmetic issues, ugly paint, old carpets, not major structural problems. Work with a real estate agent or search online for fixer-uppers or as-is homes. Drive around neighborhoods you like and spot neglected houses. They might be your diamond in the rough. Remember, location matters more than looks. The worst house in a great area is better than the best house in a bad one. Check for good schools, parks, and safe streets. Do your homework. Find out what similar fixed-up homes sell for. These are called comps. Make sure your total costs will leave room for profit. Smart shopping is the first step to a successful flip. Found your house? Congratulations. That's a huge first step, but now the real adventure begins. It's time to make a detailed budget and a solid plan. Start by listing every single expense you can think of. Don't leave anything out, no matter how small it seems. Include the purchase price, estimated repairs, property taxes, insurance, closing costs, and all those little fees that can sneak up on you. Walk through the house with a trusted contractor to get a realistic estimate for repairs and upgrades. Don't just guess, get real numbers. And always add extra for surprises. Old houses love to hide problems behind walls and under floors. A good rule is to set aside a contingency fund, just in case. Use the 70% rule to protect your investment. Never pay more than 70% of the after-repair value, minus the cost of repairs. This helps ensure you have room for profit and unexpected costs. For example, if your fixed-up house could sell for $200,000 and repairs will cost $30,000, you shouldn't pay more than $110,000 for the house itself. This keeps your project financially safe and sets you up for success. When planning renovations, always start with the big important fixes. Think roof, plumbing, and electrical systems. These are the backbone of any home. Next, move on to kitchens and bathrooms, which add the most value, and finally, finish with fresh paint and new floors to make everything shine. A clear, step-by-step plan keeps you on track, on budget, and helps you avoid costly mistakes or delays. Organization is your best friend in house flipping. Keep all your documents, receipts, and plans in order so you're always ready for the next step. With your budget set, your plan in place, and your team ready, you're all set to tackle your flip. Now, let's get to work and make that dream home a reality. Renovation time. Demo day kicks things off. Out with the old, in with the new. Decide what you can DIY and what needs a pro. Always hire licensed help for electrical and plumbing. Save money by painting, landscaping, or installing floors yourself. When choosing finishes, stick to neutral colors and classic styles to appeal to more buyers. Quality matters more than speed. Sloppy work stands out. Pay attention to details, straight paint lines, even tiles, clean finishes. Every improvement adds value and shows you care. Take pride in your work. This house is becoming someone's new home. The transformation is the most rewarding part. The house is finished. Now it's time to sell. Staging is key. Clean every corner and add simple, inviting furniture to help buyers picture themselves living there. Boost curb appeal with fresh landscaping and a welcoming front door. Hire a professional photographer. Great photos attract more buyers online. Set the right price by checking comps and working with your real estate agent. Price too high, and buyers stay away. Too low, and you lose profit. A fair price brings serious offers fast. With the right prep, your house will stand out and sell quickly. Celebrate your successful flip. Ready for the next adventure? Meet the Claytons. They are a family with big dreams and even bigger hearts. They took a chance on the saddest house on the street. It was a daunting task, but they saw potential where others saw problems. With a careful budget and lots of elbow grease, they transformed it, inside and out. Every brushstroke and nail hammered brought them closer to their dream. When they sold it, a young family moved in, and the Claytons saw a swing set in the yard months later. It was a sign that their hard work had created a place for new memories. Their biggest reward? Creating a home, not just making a profit. The joy of seeing a family thrive in the space they revitalized was priceless. Here's the lesson. You can do this, one step at a time. Every small effort adds up to something significant. Start small, maybe just a room or help a friend. Each project is a learning experience. Ask questions and learn from others. There's a wealth of knowledge out there, and people are often willing to share their expertise. Be honest, do good work, and build a reputation you're proud of. Integrity goes a long way in any endeavor. Flipping is hard work, but the joy of transformation is worth it. Seeing the before and after is incredibly satisfying. Dream big, plan smart, and go make something wonderful. Your adventure starts now. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them.